another turn coming up. So we're going straight and then it moves back this way. So that brown sign, I think, says wherever it wants us to go. So we can watch it. We'll go straight and it's another turn coming up. No, keep going straight. And I think we're going to have a U-turn coming up very quickly. We passed the building, but the parking lot is just around the street. So we'll keep going straight here. We're gonna turn left up here by the next brown sign.
Are we here yet?
Yep, we're gonna be parking in just a second.
Okay, good.
I'm glad we didn't go on a really long road trip.
Oh,
You drove with us to Disney, so you shouldn't be asking me that.
Well, you drove?
We're gonna go left in the whole thing.
Mr. Bird, you drove?
Like
2.5 years ago.
Yeah, with 106 kids ago.
You too.
You know there's a game called
Dude.
it's like I'm It's like you play it and you
Yep, I think it's this left.
It's a video game,
Left
right?
right here.
Yeah, it's like I am bread.
Yeah, I think my ex-girlfriend played that one.
I heard it's really hard.
I want to know about it.
There's this other game. It's called
I guess we have to go right here. This is bus parking. It's right here.
like touch people and they die.
Toes.
Yeah, probably by that sidewalk.
Toes.
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 Straight.
Toes.
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 Thank you very much.
Toes.
All right, guys, welcome to Washington's headquarters museum.
Thank God.
Yeah, well, just here is fine. This sidewalk right here. All right, we'll disembark and we'll be right here on the sidewalk. Thank you.
Toes. I'm grabbing my head. Toes.
Oh, no, Jockey keep on going straight. I'm not sure if the right address was put in there.
That's
It's
Jockey Hollow.
Tempe with grits.
That's the Jockey Hollow restaurant.
Oh, that was the Jockey Hollow restaurant, my friend said. So keep going straight. And we're going to make a left up further ahead. We're going to go around the square. Yeah, keep going straight. It's not near here. That was probably the Jockey Hollow restaurant. So it's on Tempe Wick Road. But I know the way. Keep straight. And we have to go right to the next line. We're going to go all the way around the square. And when we're 3/4 of the way around, we're going to keep going straight.
Toes. Toes.
Yep, and then left, and then another left.
Toes.
While we get this light, I'm not sure if you want to try putting it in again. It's off of Tempe Wick Road. Yeah, we're going to go left and another left.
Track them all the way there.
Yeah. Same with the address is
Toes.
Alright, my bag is done.
What are you looking for? Exactly, just Jockey Hollow?
Yeah, I know how to get there. It's just that there is a restaurant named Jockey Hollow
Yeah.
there.
You two toast.
I'm not doing anything. You think it's me?
And left again.
You think it's me?
And at the next light, we'll go straight through. I would say it's probably 8 miles. Yeah. It's on the southern part of Morristown. So we're actually moving back towards the school at this point.
Use
I win.
use tiki toast.
You're a stinky toast. You're stinky. What? I did not hear a word you said.
I feel like I've been here before.
I've been here. I've been here before.
Yay!
I can't remember, but I know I've been here.
Yay! Aww, where are we now?
Look, there's a toast. That guy's pulling through the porn. You know it's in that baby carrier? The baby's holding toast.
Toast?
We'll stay on this road straight for a few miles.
Toast.
Dude, toast.
The toast.
You toast.
Great.
Toast.
That's not great. That's not. Lemonade. Toast.
So the square that we just drove around, the Morristown Green, not all history has its pretty moments. Had a lot of, that's some things that they did with criminals back at that time.
Okay, that got dark.
Sorry.
What else did I do? Toast.
Skin.
Butter.
Toast.
Butter.
Toast.
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 Apple pie.
Ow.
Ow. Bacon.
Toast.
Sausage.
Toast.
Green eggs and ham.
Toast.
Omelet.
Toast.
Croissant.
Toast.
Bread.
Toast.
Flour.
Toast.
Cheese.
Toast.
Maybe we'll drive past the huts slowly and then just go right to the picnic spot.
Blueberry muffin. Where are we going to take it? Yesterday.
Time is that idea.
Butter.
We saw this area. It duplicates a lot of the visitor center here in JoJo.
Pasta. Lasagna. Lobster.
In fact,
Fish.
it's nicer than the visitor center at Johnny Hollow.
Cereal.
This one used to be nice, but they've done some nice things in that.
Donut. Pizza. Ice cream. Candy. Kit Kat. Reese's. Mirrors. Kiwi.
Got the house ready a little bit more, so
Coconut.
got one of the video echoes setups in an Amazon Cloud Cam. Yeah. So I set that up with the nursery.
Pumpkin.
A lot of the
Apple.
painting is getting done. You know Nick DiNizio and stuff?
zucchini.
So we hired Nick to take some stuff off of my hands the
Coconut.
last couple of weeks.
Milk. Juice.
When Joey,
Lasagna. Spaghetti.
when Joey came early,
Meat.
I just figured like, yeah,
Mom.
I need someone else now.
Eggplant.
I'll do one or two worlds, and I'm like, oh my gosh, it's like the whole day.
Bug.
Yeah. We're still going straight.
Dirt. Worms. Mud. Apple pie. Pear.
Yeah.
Watermelon.
Yeah, we have.
Pineapple.
I thought you were a Google guy.
SpongeBob.
I was because the camera set up.
Underwear.
The Xbox One, the first display monitor, they didn't want it because they wanted people to have it in their bedroom. They wanted them to feel a little bit secure, that it wouldn't be hacked into or anything. Well, they really it's like a plastic lens that people can slide over.
Yeah. Pudding.
Yeah, so
So what did you do with all your Google
Cheesecakes.
I still have them around here.
Potato.
Can you work them together?
Cheese.
Doesn't work that way.
Pudding.
Echo supports some of the Google stuff, so I have the calendar synced together.
Yeah, we have literally one in every like room.
Nice.
He
Egg.
has a show.
Waffles.
Fantastic.
Pancakes.
Especially if you watch, they go on a 2 for 1 sale. Not 2 for 1.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I think $100 off the sale.
Cucumber.
They got my parents one. And like they literally use it every day.
No, I said. No, he's just saying. You got the Echo Show.
Yeah.
What's that?
Yeah,
Yeah, use it a lot.
I keep thinking about it.
National Park area.
Toast.
What's that? Red Show.
And we're going to see some of the soldier huts, but I think to eat your picnic.
Hey. Where were we? Okay.
And if we have time at the end, there's another visitor center with a farm area that we could check out as well.
Seafood. Plant. Octopus. Lobster. Fish.
So we keep on going straight. We're going to do the tour road and go do the picnic area first.
Shark.
So just on the other side of that flag, we're going to take that road right there. That little turn right at the next road.
Meatloaf.
Yeah, turn right here if you're going down that way.
Loaf of bread.
They have a 20-mile-per-hour limit on these roads. And sometimes people are walking in the street here. It's just the park area.
Dairy Queen. Dairy Queen. Stop right.
So the 1,000 soldier huts were along this area in rows, and imagine them 10 to 12 people at a time living in the soldier huts. We're going to see some coming up in a little bit.
Cheesecake ready. Graduate. Cake cheese.
And hang left up here.
Build a bear. Apple. Apple store. Bark. Tree bark. Pine cone. That's a food.
So there's more to do than what we will probably have time to do today. So, but if you would like any more information on this, I can share that with your parents.
The road. So the word of the day. So the word of the day reminded me of two guild schools. First, how our word of the day a few years ago was penetration.
Apple pie.
That's when we all learned what that word actually means.
Pumpkin pie. Cheesecake.
But also how
Cheese.
yeah, I know. And how and also
Apple
how
pie. French
some guild
toast.
staff members were founders who was a French candidate.
Cinnamon toast.
So her first language was French.
Cinnamon toast. Cinnamon toast French.
Like she is more comfortable
Give me the
reading and
list of all
speaking
these
French
toasts.
English. That's what she
Lot
does.
toast.
So she didn't know. Basically, she didn't know how to curse in English.
French toast.
So we actually ended up teaching her
Oh,
the
each
English
French
first word.
toast.
As we messed up. So over the course of middle school, she learned
Muffin.
a lot of them because of me.
Pizza.
A surprisingly large amount of them because of me.
At the bottom of the hill, there's a road that just goes left, and we're going to go left. So coming up, everybody, you're going to see some soldier huts that will be on the right side of the bus. So if you want to take a look, there will be some soldier huts. They're on top of a hill. If we had a little bit more time, I would encourage you guys to run up to it, but we can slowly go past them as we're making that turn. So if you want to see what it would have been like for the soldiers to live in those huts, this is going to give us a little bit more time for our picnic that we can have just down the road from there. And the hills that we're in, just like at Washington Rock, this gave Washington's troops a lot of protection from the British soldiers at the time. Yeah, to that second left. The first left is the parking lot. We're going to take that second left right there. So look on top of the hill as we make this turn. Again, it's on the right-hand side. And imagine that 12 people are sleeping up in those huts there.
They're up here.
Yep, you can see them on top of the hill.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. So there's 3 or 4 huts up there. The one that's behind those 3, that would have been the one for one of the captains.
But you could actually go in them.
You can go up in there. One might have a closed door. They're fixing it up.
Give it toast crunch.
And it was cold, 96 inches of snow, so those fires were burning inside there to
Wait,
keep
how
those
many
guys warm. 96 inches in a season. That would have been like up to the soldier's chest.
Oh, I was way off it. I was thinking like up
8 feet, that'd be over
Not-
their heads.
yeah, well, not all at once, but yeah, 96 in the season.
I was like thinking up.
At the park we're going to get the picnic is coming up on
That's
the
like,
left.
yeah.
So if we pass through a gate coming up and we're going to turn left and we'll find a parking spot in there. Yeah, so we'll take this left right up here. We'll have our picnic inside.
Oh, we're doing it
Is there
inside.
only 3 huts or there's more?
There are 4.
Is this supposed to rain today? I mean,
They said later tonight, but it feels like rain. I didn't even know these two were attached.
I don't know how many times they had to restore those huts.
They're recreations.
Oh, they are?
Yeah. And I think there's some parking off towards the right over here, or straight ahead.
Hey.
We can, wherever you want to park there, there's some picnic area over here too.
oh, geez.
Low branches.
Well, we
straight
turned it.
ahead.
We're good.
Inside joke today.
I'm surprised I didn't have more branches.
Oh, we can sit in the neck.
All right, guys. So we'll have our picnic area right here.
We can play kickball, guys.
Good.
We'll